friends asking me how to cook fried rice, so today I'm gonna show you how to cook that. It's really simple, but it just takes a bit time. First of all, you need some cooked rice, boiled rice, and for the fried rice, the boiled rice needs to be a little bit drier than usual. So what I do is, first of all, you need 2 cups of rice, wash and soak in the water about half an hour. And the water you need is about double the rice. So you put the rice on the saucepan, or if you have rice cooker, that's perfect. All right, you can cook that. And when you cook on the saucepan, first of all you boil the rice. When the water is boiled, and you just wait a little bit longer until the water on the top or almost dried up, then you turn the heat down to the lowest. Leave it to about 10 minutes, and you check the rice. Looks like that. It's not very sticky. It's dry, but it's not very dry. So that's done. So we can go on the next stage to fry the rice. Right, okay, we're gonna just cook the fried rice. I've got 2 cups of cooked rice here, and I beaten 4 eggs in a bowl. If you like some color in your fried rice, put some dark soy sauce. First of all, I like to put some in my egg, just a little bit, not too much. Right, and I give a mix. There's 2 ways you can cook fried rice. One is you can cook the egg first. Another way is you cook the rice first and pour the egg over. Today I'm just gonna show you cook the egg first. Right, okay, everything's ready. So, first of all, heat the oil up. We got eggs here, so we probably need around 2 tablespoons. I like to use olive oil. I've got new work today. Right, okay, when the oil's been heated up, we pour the egg in. Just like you do the scrambled egg. Just wait the eggs all set, but not too hard. Right, just about like that. Right, when the egg's done, just get out of the wok and set aside. Then you put a bit more oil back into the wok. About 30 seconds. And what I'm having here is 2 spring onions. I like it cut into like sliced, and 2 garlic cloves minced. It will make the rice really nice. If you don't want it, you don't have to do that. But I like some there. So first of all, I'll put this in the wok. You will soon smell the garlic and the spring onions. Right, just few seconds. You put the rice in. turn the heating down a little bit. Don't burn the rice. Because the rice is all fresh cooked, so it's still warm. It doesn't take long to cook fried rice. The only thing we need to do here is add some soy sauce, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depends on the color you want. And also you can add some black pepper. Then put the egg back. Mix the rice, egg, and the spring onions well. It smells really nice. Great. When the rice and the soy sauce, all the ingredients mix well, that's done. It's really simple because the rice are fresh cooked and the eggs all done. And other method is you cook the fry the rice first, and now at this stage you just pour the egg over and mix them together with the soy sauce, or you add a bit more black pepper in it. It's wherever you prefer. It's very, very simple. That's all. That's all system.